Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Yesterday we finished up the earthquake project, so people submitted that this morning or last night. Today we're moving on to the last bit of chapter 2, and that is volcanoes, the last kind of, I would say, big event that is connected to plate tectonics. So today in the volcano PowerPoint for you people at home, I'll kind of bring it up here to kind of showcase what the key stuff kind of is and what's moving forward. Only about 20 slides today. One of the slides is a video, but we're not going to we're going to save that until tomorrow, so don't sweat it. Okay. So today's big color is white. Make sure you jot everything down in white because that is the definitions I use for the quiz. All right. So, like for example, one of the quiz questions is, what 3 things do you need to make a volcano? All right, so, and here you have all 3. So just jot those down. And again, for this one, you know where all volcanoes form, where they form. Again, divergent boundaries, convergent boundaries, hot spots. This is pretty much just going through the scientific piece of everything. The other big thing is just know the 4 types of volcano: shield, cinder cone, composite, fissure. And then you'll see each one of these slides kind of goes a little bit more in depth. So make sure you jot down all these different details. For example, like type of magma. I use these to kind of help you answer the question correctly in the quiz. So I give a lot of detail out on the quiz questions. So make sure you jot down all the detail as well for all of these, and I definitely use that later on. So basically, we're just going through what makes a volcano, and then we kind of go through the major types of them, and then at the end, there's a couple of clips here. One's a Bill Nye review one for plate tectonics, and then a volcanoes type video. These are short clips, and that's the last slide that you guys have to do today, and then this is for tomorrow. I know you guys, some of you guys watched this last year. If you're at home, you'll probably watch this one, and if you're in class, we'll probably watch a different version of it. But that's on Amazon Prime, and I can't put that on Google Slides, so you guys may just be stuck watching a replay one. But that's okay, because Mount St. Helens is a pretty sweet story. So that's basically it today, guys. Just go through the notes. Take good notes, guys, because remember, you can use those later on, especially during the review days. So go through it. Write down the stuff in white, guys. Watch the video clips, and you'll be good to go for today. I'll see everybody who's watching this tomorrow.